Hello guys, so today's vlog, it's a quick vlog regarding the DJI RS3 Mini with the FX30. So guys, today's vlog will balance and will connect the Bluetooth or via Bluetooth to use the recording buttons. But again guys, if you check in the DJI RS3 Mini compatibility list, the FX30 is not on the list. But still, we will try. We will try to connect, if it's possible, to connect the FX30 to the DJI RS3 Mini via Bluetooth. So at least you can use this record button. So without further ado, guys, but again, before anything else, if you like this content, if you want a photography, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So, without further ado, let's start now guys. I already balanced the camera. This is our camera. It's perfect balance to the FX30. Actually, I did already vlog regarding how to balance in vertical. So, this is the video for the vertical. But this is horizontal. But we will focus to the setup on how to make it in, how to connect via Bluetooth. So, let's start now guys. First, you need to go to the menu. Okay. Bluetooth function, turn on. Okay. Bluetooth remote control also must be in on. Okay. Then pairing. Need to pair. FX30. Now we're gonna go to the DJI. It's yan. First if you go here from up, go down, Bluetooth settings, confirm. You will see the FX30 now, and you go back to the main menu. Just connect. Okay. Now it's paired. Yeah, perfect paired. You can see here there's a check button. Just confirm. Then done. You have a compare. Okay, done. So let's try to record. So yeah, it's recording guys. Perfect. So again, it's working fine with the FX30 and DJI RS3 Mini. Again, see, I will record again. See, it has a red light, sorry, and it's working fine. So, yeah guys, this is the FX30 and connected via Bluetooth to DJI RS3 Mini. So, yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, we connect the FX30 via Bluetooth to DJI RS3 Mini because actually it's not in the list. If you go to DJI RS3 Mini compatibility list, I saw there the FX3 but the FX30 is not on the list. But again, we tried here and it's working fine. Connected to the RS3 Mini via Bluetooth, so you can use the um, uh, record button. So, yan guys. I think that's it for today's vlog. It's a quick vlog regarding FX30 connected to DJI RS3 Mini. So again guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. If you want to check the price and availability of these two products, the DJI RS3 Mini and the FX30, you can visit to our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay. It's perfect. See? You have a perfect FX30 with DJI RS3 Mini. Okay. PF. Yeah. See? It's fine guys. Yan.